Let's face it, it will happen to all of us, eventually. You get a clog in your extruder and all of a sudden your printer is printing air. Well, that's exactly what happened to me recently on one of my T-Rex bone prints. It was literally 7 hours into a 10-hour print. So today I'm going to teach you how I fixed it and walk you through all the steps. Grab a cold one and let's get started. First of all, let's talk about what happened. The filament ran out, which paused the print. I reloaded the filament back in, watched the extruder purge the old filament, so I thought it was good to go. I resumed the print and walked away. Same thing I've done a dozen times. Well, somehow the loaded filament wasn't completely loaded and the printer proceeded to print in mid-air. This type of fail is a first for me. Now I tend to push the retry button twice just to make absolute sure it's fully loaded. Anyways, no need to panic, let's just fix this. Here's the model loaded into Bambu Studio. Now the way I do this is mostly by eyeballing it. You can even go as far as taking a magnifying glass to count the layer lines on the print itself. Since the print stopped a short time after this peg, I'm going to just eyeball this one. This may not be the same situation for your print that might need to be perfect, but for this organic dinosaur bone, if I'm a little off, it won't matter and you'll never see the discrepancy once it's painted. So the first thing I'm going to do is open the cut tool. Select your model and you can push C on the keyboard or click this icon up here. Now the cut mode we're going to be using today is going to be the planar. Make sure you have that selected. Now I'd like to get the view of the right side, so I'm going to push Control 6. Now there's two pegs on this model and the print actually failed in between both of them. So I'm just going to pull this up just a little bit. Now basically what I'm going to do is look at the model and try and match the exact same location. I'm going to zoom in a little bit to the cut area. Now I think we're a little bit lower, so I'm going to go right about here. That looks perfect. Now what I want to do is place our cut blue area on the build plate. So we're going to place it on the cut, and we're going to go ahead and just keep our original model in its orientation. Before you perform a cut, I would recommend taking a note of your height. That way, in case you do a print and it's not quite perfect, you can adjust it for a second time. So for this height, I'm going to write down 148.14 and make a note of it. All right, let's go ahead and perform a cut. I'm going to go ahead and move this off the build plate and put our cut piece on the center. All right, this looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and send it to the printer. Now, before we move any further, let's go ahead and pretend like this cut wasn't perfect and we needed to make an adjustment. I'm going to undo all the way back before our cut. Now I'm going to go ahead and open the cut tool back up again. And you can see our height is set at 116. Let's just say we were off by about 2 millimeters. We needed our cut to be 2 millimeters larger. So that means we would need to bring our height down by 2 millimeters. So we would go, I'm just going to go with a whole number of 146. See where that puts us. Control 6 on the keyboard. Let's see a side view. That brought it down just 2 millimeters. So that looks good. And now we can perform our cut again. Now if we go ahead and slice, we've got a 2-hour print. This is a lot better than doing another 10-hour print. Now just out of pure luck, I was able to get it almost exactly perfect on my first shot. Everything fits perfect and you can hardly see the cut line on the model. Remember, if your cut model doesn't fit perfect, remember your height amount and just make an adjustment. Alright, that concludes my tutorial on how to save a failed print. I hope that you are able to learn something from this. If you don't want to miss any of my other tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm always releasing new content for everyone. Again, my name is Nick. Have a great day and happy printing.